Assigning tasks to your team in GoHighLevel is one of those small but powerful tools that can completely streamline your workflow. It helps you to make sure nothing slips through the crack and keeps everyone accountable and saves you tons of time to managing daily operations. In this video, I will show you exactly how to assign tasks step by step, so even if you are new in GoHighLevel, you will feel confident setting up your team and staying organized. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing and don't forget to use the link in the description to get the 30 days free trial and the free to live bootcamp and some exclusive bonuses that help you to get started with GoHighLevel right away. So now let's get back to the video and see how you can easily create a new task for your team member. First, go to your GoHighLevel dashboard. So once you are logged into your dashboard or the GoHighLevel account, you will see there is an option for contact. Just simply click on this and you will be on this page. Simply from here, just go to this task tab here. Now here you can see all of your tasks if you already added anyone. So to add a new task, you can click here or you can click on this button, add a task. Now give it a title for this task, then write a description or you can explain your task to your member. Then you can set the time, like what is the due date. So I want that the task will be for the 4 days, 1 2 3 4, and then you can set the time. Then you can set the contact, like who is the contact for this task. Let's say I want to add this task for this customer or this audience. Then assign this task to your team member. So I have only one team member. I have added one for this tutorial, so just select that, and after that just simply click on this save, and that's it. Once you assign task in GoHighLevel, you will notice your team becomes more organized, nothing gets missed, and your workflow run much smoother. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in how efficiently your business operations. So if you want to try it yourself, make sure to use our link in the description to get the 30 days free trial, access to the live bootcamp and some exclusive bonuses to get started like a pro. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.